Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors about the Nintendo Switch 2. While Nintendo hasn't officially announced anything, leaks are painting a cool picture of what this next-gen console might be. Grab your controllers, dock your Switch, if you are not playing portably already, and let's explore the potential future of Nintendo gaming. Is the Switch 2 even coming? Yes, in May 2024, Nintendo confirmed they're working on a Switch successor planned for release sometime in 2025. We might have to wait a bit. But the hype is real. Bigger screen, better performance, maybe. Leaks suggest the Switch 2 could have a bigger 8-inch LCD screen compared to the original Switch's 6.2 inches. Imagine playing your favorite games on a brighter, more spacious display. Handheld gamers rejoice. Under the hood, rumors hint at a more powerful processor, which could mean smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and even more impressive graphics. More storage, built-in mic. The Switch 2 might come with a whopping 256 gigabytes of storage, giving you tons of space for digital downloads. Another interesting rumor is a built-in microphone making voice chat easier and potentially opening doors for new voice-controlled games. Don't worry, you can keep your old games. Great news for Switch owners. Leaks suggest the Switch 2 will be backwards compatible with both your current Switch games and Joy-Con controllers. This means you won't have to leave your favorite titles behind. You can seamlessly move your library to the new console. Release date and price, a guessing game. While leaks suggest a 2025 release, remember this isn't confirmed by Nintendo. Delays can happen, so take this info with a grain of salt. There's no word on price yet, but considering the rumor and upgrades, expect the Switch 2 to cost more than the original. New games on the horizon? Some analysts believe announcements for third-party games coming to the Switch 2 could happen as early as late 2024. This could build hype and get gamers excited to upgrade. Of course, Nintendo will likely have their own amazing first-party titles in the works too, but we'll have to wait for official announcements to know for sure. Beyond the hardware, exciting new features. Leaks focus on hardware, but there are whispers of cool new features that could change how we play. Asterisk supercharged dock. The dock that lets you play on TV might support 4K resolution, making docked Switch experiences even more stunning. Asterisk improved Joy-Cons. The beloved and sometimes frustrating, Joy-Cons could get better battery life, drift prevention, and maybe even extra buttons. Asterisk fitness focus. Nintendo loves promoting fitness through games, and the Switch 2 might take it further. Rumors suggest a more precise built-in motion sensor, paving the way for innovative fitness games. Asterisk cloud gaming. Cloud gaming is getting popular, and the Switch 2 might embrace it. Imagine streaming demanding games directly to your console. No giant downloads with super powerful hardware needed. How will the Switch 2 compete? The Switch 2 will be alone. It will face competition from powerful consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. While Nintendo doesn't always focus on raw power, it'll still need to stand out. Here's how the Switch 2 might shine. Asterisk innovation. Nintendo is known for creating unique gaming experiences, and the Switch 2 is unlikely to be different. Expect innovative features, creative controller usage, and a focus on fun and accessible gameplay. Asterisk exclusive games. Nintendo's first-party titles are legendary, and the Switch 2 is sure to have must-play exclusives. Think new entries in beloved franchises like Mario, Zelda, and Pokémon, alongside fresh and innovative games. Asterisk portability. The Switch's biggest strength is its ability to seamlessly switch between handheld and TV play. The Switch 2 will likely keep this flexibility, offering gamers the best of both worlds. The future of Nintendo gaming looks bright. Leaks and rumors paint a picture of a more powerful and versatile Switch 2 that builds upon the strengths of its predecessor. While we wait for official confirmation, the future of Nintendo gaming looks exciting, with potential hardware upgrades, innovative features, and a focus on fun and unique gameplay. The Switch 2 has the potential to be another groundbreaking console from Nintendo. While these are all based on leaks and rumors, it's clear that the Nintendo Switch 2 has the potential to be an amazing console. A bigger screen, a potential performance boost, and tons of storage space are all exciting upgrades for gamers. Backwards compatibility is a huge win for those invested in the Switch ecosystem, and the possibility of innovative new features like a built-in microphone and cloud gaming adds another layer of intrigue. Of course, competition is fierce, and the Switch 2 will need to find ways to stand out against the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. However, Nintendo's history of creating unique experiences, combined with its legendary exclusive games and the unmatched flexibility of portable play, suggests that the Switch 2 has a bright future. This is just the beginning. As we get closer to the rumored 2025 release window, Expect more leaks, and hopefully, some official announcements from Nintendo themselves. In the meantime, keep an eye out for news and join the conversation online. What features are you most excited about for the Switch 2? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.